Virnig Manufacturing is proud to introduce an all-new lineup of compact wheel loader buckets. These buckets offer rugged durability and top-tier quality you expect from Virnig. Let's take a closer look at each of these new buckets. First up, the V70 General Purpose Bucket, an all-around workhorse for digging, grading, and material handling. We designed the bucket floor deep and the back short for better operator visibility. Do you need to move more material? The V70 High Capacity General Purpose Bucket has 15% more capacity than the standard model. For moving a large volume of low-density materials, check out the V70 Snow and Light Material Bucket. Perfect for handling snow, grain, mulch, and other light materials, this bucket ensures you get the most capacity. The design clears the Z-bar linkage, allowing full rollback without interference. Here's a quick snapshot of the main differences between these three buckets. No matter which bucket fits your needs, all V70 compact wheel loader buckets come with these features: a flat top for easy leveling and a curved interior for better material cleanup. A 1/4-inch shell and side plates outlast many OEM buckets, which use a 3/16 inch shell, 33% thinner than Virnig. The 1-inch by 6-inch Weld On cutting edge provides exceptional strength and is 3.5 times stronger than the industry standard 3/4-inch by 4-inch edge. 1/2-inch by 4-inch wear bars extend the wear life of the bucket. Powder coat paint protects against rust, corrosion, scratches, and fade. We also offer optional upgrades, including side cutters to improve digging performance and extend bucket life, a bolt-on edge for additional durability, Weld On Teeth for better digging ability on the general purpose and high capacity buckets. Virnig teeth sit flush with the bottom of the bucket, meaning you can grade dirt without leaving teeth marks behind. Another option is fully welded internal seams for handling corrosive materials like fertilizer and salt. Engineered for power, precision, and efficiency, Virnig's V70 compact wheel loader buckets are built to tackle any job. Ready to elevate your compact wheel loader's performance? Contact your local Virnig dealer or visit VirnigMFG.com to learn more.